Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your XIAOMI Poco F4 GT. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, click on the search button and start searching for an app. Write Firefox browser like this and hit the search button. Now click on this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app, and here we can customize it. So first thing is to choose your theme, and you can pick light or dark or set it automatic. So I'm just gonna stick with a dark one. You can pick your toolbar placement from bottom or top of the screen. Change always on privacy settings from standard or strict. Sign in or sign up in order to sync other devices that use Firefox browser. And last is to read a privacy notice if you want it. After doing this, start browsing and your browser will be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.